Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you how we can create checklist. Let's start. So first we need to click on the asset and ppm part. Once you click the asset and ppm part, we need to click here like checklist option. Then we need to click on the checklist part. You can see here is a checklist. Now you can see there are multiple checklist in this site because we already added few. So how to create new checklist? So to create new checklist, we need to click on the plus button. Name of the checklist, suppose I'm creating for washroom. Okay, then we need to click on the save option. Now you can see the name of the checklist appear here. So now we need to click on this washroom part. Now we need to click on the build task and then plus instruction. Okay, now you can see we can create our checklist in the multiple form like checkbox form, text form, number, drop down, image attachment, and the file attachment. What is the difference between image attachment and file attachment? Image attachment means you can take the live photo for any work, and file attachment means you can upload any file from your mobile memory, okay, or any device memory. So the first part is the title of the checklist. Suppose the first title is check tap condition. So in the next part we need to select, we are going to do for checkbox part, text part, number, drop down, etc. For example, I am going for the checkbox part. Then we need to click on the add. Now you can see check tap option appears here with the checkbox type. We can rename the heading part. Okay, now we can to check here is a option for optional also. What is the meaning of optional? So meaning of optional is that suppose we have five checklists and we want the number five checkpoints is in the optional form. Like if there is need to fill this, you can fill. If there is no need, you can skip. Okay, now we can check. Also you can see we can clone this instruction. Suppose you want to add five instruction, so you can either add one by one or by cloning the same. Okay, we can now we can see I have cloned and now I'm going to rename. Okay, suppose exhaust fan, exhaust fan, and the next part is the check hand wash, just for example only. Now you can see we have three checkpoints. Now you can also change the type uh, from here, like whether we want in the text form, number, drop down. Suppose the second point we want in the drop down. So drop down, we need some options, of course. Suppose I'm going to fill the option like yes, no, and suppose this is na. Okay, so we can change. Also in most of the cases we can see the staff working on the ground for the washroom basis cannot recognize the points. So in that case we can also add the pictorial presentation of that particular checkpoint. For example, I'm going to click this option, and now I'm going to add some photo related to the tab. In the second option I'm going to add the photo related to the exhaust fan, and in the third option I'm going to add some photo related to the hand wash. Okay, now you can see. Okay, okay, I have added in few. Now you can see there are some pictorial presentation for the same. Okay, also suppose we want some more instruction like photo option, like photo photo after work. Okay, so again we need to change this to the image attachment, image attachment, and also we can add some photo related to this photo part. Now we don't need this, therefore I'm going to delete. You can also delete the checklist after clicking on this option. Okay, so this is the basic for the for example the washroom part. Suppose we have checklist in the Excel form or MS Word form. So how we can add that checklist? So let's start. So we need to click on the plus option first, plus option, then again the name of the checklist, suppose DZ checklist, DZ monthly. Okay, now I'm going to click on the save option. Now you can see DZ monthly is here. Okay, I'm going to click on the DZ monthly, then again build task, and then again plus instruction. Now we need to click on the add in bulk, and we need to copy and paste. Suppose I'm going to add from any Excel sheet. So we are going to copy from that Excel sheet and paste it over here. For example, this is the Excel sheet we want to add. So I'm going to copy this. You can see I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste. Okay, I'm going to paste, and now I'm going to click on the add option. Now you can see all instruction appears here in a few seconds. Now you can see all the options are here. Only the heading is not matching, so we can also edit the heading. You can see, suppose this is the performance checklist, and we can add the performance checklist. Also you can add the parameters in number form, etc. Okay, I want to show you something. Suppose for the first option I'm going to convert into the text form. So again this setting option, and this the text option. Now we can see. So by these method we can add checklist to the FactTech application. Thank you.